best to the school for all of you. And because of that, today we are here together to express our gratitude. We want to say, sister, that thank you so much for all that you have done for us. So let us first listen to one of our teacher representatives to propose the word of thanks.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, madam.
Do you miss our sister?
Yes.
If you miss our sister Ngalachon, Sister Mariam Ngalachon, say we miss you, dear sister.
We miss you, dear sister.
Okay, thank you. It is very hard to say farewell to our beloved sister, but the time has come to say farewell to our dearest sister, Sister Mariam Ngalachon. Dear sister, we are thankful for your support, kindness, and patience that you have shown to us. And also we are very happy for your short stay here, for your work hard, for your dedication to us, and also be friendly to us, for your friendship to us. May God continue to bless you in your future endeavor, and may God be with you in your new place. We would like to say we will be missing you a lot, and then we will be very sad that from the time you leave us, we may think that there is someone who leave us, someone who make us happy leave us. I think everyone will feel it like that. Yes or no? She's very calm, she's very kind, and she also has a smiling face. Yes or no? So we will be missing you, dear sister. God be with you. Though we are apart from here, though you leave us, may God continue to bless us and let us all remember in our prayer. Thank you.
So we thank Ma'am Kim for the words of gratitude on behalf of the school, all of us. So once again, dear sister, thank you so much. And as a token of our love and gratitude, please accept this gift from the school side. I do not know Sister Chongnew much because I came here very lately, recently, and I have not dealt with her so deeply. But for the few weeks that I had been together with Sister, I could see her calm, still, but doing her work perfectly. That is what I could see as I was going around. Though she looks thin, she looks thin and a little skinny, slim, okay, not thin, slim. But she has a lot of it. She has a reservoir of energy. In the class, the way she takes class, my God, she has more energy than me. All of us put together, she has a synergy, means combination of so many energies. And I know why. Sister comes from a very far village in Manipur. It is bordering Nagaland and Manipur. I have gone to their village many times. And it is a very steep place. For us, if we climb in the villages, you'll fall down. For them, because of their climbing up and down, she's very strong. Though she is thin, okay, none of you will beat her. If you fight, you will fly. If she boxes you, you will fly. She is an iron lady. Okay? So she's very strong. That is why, the village, the way she's brought up. Very big village, more than 500 families, houses. And then they work very hard. The first time when I went to the village, I was strolling around in the village. I saw one old man coming with an axe. I asked him, Ipa, cried the Chengaru, where are you going? Then he said, Sing Chengaru, means I'm going for cutting wood. And what is your age? I asked him. Then he said, 70. At the age of 70, they are very strong still. So, actually, when I was in Suguno, I wanted to take students for study tour to Chinjaroi, but I could not make it. Because I want our students to go and learn the culture there. People are very hardworking. That is why those sister looks thin. She's very hardworking. Childless, indefatigable. So that is what we see in her. So we thank sister for coming to another corner of Manipur. Some people say Khulin area, Satik area is God-forsaken place. God also does not know this kind of place. Only missionaries, fathers and sisters are found. And most of you will get educated. Some of you will get job and they will go to Chulchandpur, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. But fathers and sisters will remain here in this God-forsaken place. To bring up your children, your grandchildren, great-great-grandchildren. Right? So, missionaries, like fathers and sisters, will choose the remotest place, but you will choose the comforts of the convenience of the town and the cities. So, we are grateful to sister. The provincial has also asked her whether she would like to go to Khulin or other place. She has chosen this place. We thank her for choosing this kind of remote place which needs a lot of help, support, encouragement, and development. So we thank Sister sincerely on behalf of not only our school, but also the people of this Sajik Tampak area, Kana area. So therefore, we'll remember you always, sister, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors and your studies. Sister will be going to Noida, you know? MP. Indore, MP, Madhya Pradesh. And she'll be going for 1 year studies. Then after that, she will make her final profession, perpetual vow. That is, till her death, she will promise that she will be a sister. Till now, okay, she can be anytime. She is a junior sister. That is why the cap, if you look at the cap, that sister Lucy's one is black, my head is this side is white. This is junior, that is senior. The difference is in the cap. So after this 1 year of studies, sister will be praying and reflecting whether she would like to continue as a sister, or if she does not want, she can go back home and get married. So because of that, sister also needs our prayer. Okay, sister needs our prayer. Let us continue to pray for her so that she comes back with a black veil. Veil. It is not cap. It is called veil. V-E-I-I. Veil. Okay? So, we pray for sister. We'll show you our prayers that the Lord will continue to bless you. And more than 500 of our students, and then around 27 of our teaching staff and non-teaching staff, all will be supporting you with our prayers. Surely you'll become strong. And after that, come back here as headmistress of St. Mary's School, Khulin. Sister Mariam Alenchon, headmistress. Okay? Choose us again. After you have finished your studies, come back here. You are most welcome. So once again, thank you, dear sister. Now let us recite that. Any information, sister? Integrity.
When nobody is watching.
Louder still. What is integrity?
When nobody is watching.
What is accountability?
Owning up your words and action when you do something wrong.
Be a leader.
Not a follower.
Who is in control?
I am in control.
If you are not in control,
You are out of control.
as long as you try.
You cannot fail.
Louder, louder. As long as you try,
You cannot fail.
respect others.
But you might respect you.
Nemo dat quod non habet.
You cannot give what you don't have.
So I must work hard.
I have something to give.
The 10 years,
Powerful.
tell yourself,
It's going to be a great day.
tell yourself that
Love yourself.